In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the hood lift support on your Kia Sorento located under the hood. Let's get started. First, we're going to start by supporting the hood since we're going to be removing one of the struts. Here we have a hood support. We're going to go ahead and put this. If you're going to replace both of them, you want to do one at a time. You want to go ahead and just get that snug, and now we can move on to the other side. Using a small flathead screwdriver, we're going to go ahead and pry on the clip, like so. Once you have it pried like that, you're going to go ahead and pull on it. And we're going to do the same on the top part. And that's how you remove it. To install the new one, we're going to go the same way that it came out. So we're going to go ahead and push it on the top. Line it up on the bottom. And push it in place. Now we can go ahead and remove our hood support. If you are replacing both of them, it is the same process for the other side.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.